desire. I've been away trying to build a wheel up this life require. Slowly letting go to regain control, it's like ice to tires. Yeah, passion before desire. I've been away trying to build a wheel up this life require. Slowly letting go to regain control, it's like ice to tires. Had me slipping, I turned the heat up, jumped in the kitchen. Renewed commitment, removed the waste and improved the writer. Took up the taxes, I brought a bag and straight from the Shire. Thank the Messiah, my shoulders heavy, my thoughts inspire. The shots been fired, you cross the line and all love expires. I'm at that age where my peace of mind worth your life, and I wouldn't think twice about hella higher. My mind a million places, a million on my mind. This ain't purely entertainment. I see dollar signs and it get me stimulated. I never fall in line, didn't do no guessing, know it's my turn, I saw all the signs. Yeah, it's a science, but mostly patience, I didn't resign. I had to hold it together and tell them we'll be fine. Even when I didn't know if that was true, I couldn't lose my pride. And that's why this is get back season, I can never call it even. We the ones that they believe in, yes sir. My condolences, I know this got them breathing. We've been winning all season, it been overdue so long, we blessed up. Perfect timing, this divine, I know they need it. This should motivate the dreamers, and for the ones that hate to see it, we gon' run it back and run it up some more. No more being humble, we gon' run it up some more. Run it up some more. Refuse to lose, I'm born defiant. Solitude, I'm not reliant. Played it cool to keep low key, but really I'm a giant. Mama won't do no more crying. I assured it, I endured it. Still recouping from the days I didn't text. Let's get into it. Always been a higher level, always been a bigger draw. Back then I didn't have the numbers, but I always had the sauce. Held the dust just like the losses. Kept it level, never doubted. Now the verses in the thousands. Fought for this, I tell them about it. Added in 2014, I'm hitting a dream. I'm having nightmares about it. Wondering will I succeed? I had no degrees and stuck on the minimum hourly. Put a yo in the room, then put in some years and watch my peers. I grow this thing I said I love the most. Was stuck a fool and in the show, but God had other plans for me in store. You think it don't be worth the wait until you worth your weight in gold. And I still got a little ways to go. Just pray I keep the hunger with me while I let the rest unfold.
All right, fam, sound test results. My opinion on which one I felt like sounded the best. Well, the Melobuds Pro did really good here. I was pleasantly surprised because I've been using these for quite a bit, and I'm like, man, I don't know if they're going to be able to even compare with the Buds Pro 2. And going back and listening to this, I'm like, they did pretty good. I do believe the Nothing Buds Pro 2 did edge them out. However, you got to be very careful with that bass because that bass does sound good with the Buds Pro 2. But if you check it out on the EQ setting that I showed on screen, check it out. It's not even on max bass, fam. So if you overdrive it, it's not gonna sound as good. But fam, that Nothing Buds Pro 2, and it has that rich sound, I'm gonna have to give it to Nothing on winning this sound test. But I feel like the Melobuds Pro 2 did not disappoint. So if you're interested in either one of these, I don't think you can go wrong. I am gonna do a full review on both of them, comparing the two, so I can show you a few things on what to look out for each one, all right? But until next time, I'm Dave Banter. We out.